So today we are gonna unbox the Coach Dempsey Tote 22, which is actually a part of the special collection in collaboration with Jennifer Lopez. So let's start opening the box. So I actually bought this from an online seller who is based in the US, and she actually bought the bag from coachoutlet.com. So it's through online, and accordingly, when you purchase online, it doesn't include paper bags. So let's see. Oh wow. So as you can see, it's the product itself, the bag itself. Oh my, I'm so excited. Oh wow. Oh, it's so small. But I love the size. Wait a minute. Wow. I actually got this bag because of the color. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's the perfect size. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Oh my. As you can see, it's very well packed. It's full of tapes and oh my. So okay, let's just remove all of the trash. Focus on the bag. Oh wow. Wow. So the bag is actually made of refined pebble leather. So this one, and the handles have a 4 1/4 inches drop. So let's already open that to see the beauty of the bag. Oh my, I really love the color of the bag. Like it's, I don't know, it's new cream or beige, or I don't know. Wow, I love it. It's the perfect size for me. Okay, so as what I've said, the handles has a 4 1/4 inches drop. Okay, so let's just, oh, so here's the hang tag. So just bear with me. We can do this. So just remove the plastic first to see the beauty of the bag. Wow. Wow. The hang tag is very beautiful. As you can see. Wow. Coach and Jennifer Lopez. Oh my. Oh wow. So here's also the tag. Oh, it says cream. So the color of the bag is cream, and it's, what's this? Dempsey Tote 22. So the value is $350. Okay. This is so beautiful. So it has a lot of like papers inside to maintain the structure of the bag, or the form of the bag. Oh wow. And with gel. This is also what I really love about the bag, because of its strap. Okay, so how can, oh, The strap is actually really attached inside, so let's just cut it. Wow. Okay. Oh my. Let's remove. Oh wow. One of the features of this bag that I really love is that because of the crossbody sling. It's because it's half leather and half chain. And you can really see that the chain is very heavy. I mean, not so heavy, but yeah, you can really see the difference. Oh my, I'm so excited to use this. It's beautiful. And the color, it's just so perfect. And also, as you can see in front, it's actually has the NYC or the New York City skyline with the brand. And as you can see, it's parang shining, shimmering. So beautiful. And inside, let's remove this. So inside, as you can see, it has no zipper, so it's a snap closure, so meaning you can actually just get your things easily inside. Oh wow, so you can just close it like that. So it's very easy, it's very convenient. You just open it like that. Okay, so inside there's the creed. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's the creed of the coach there, and it has an inside zipper pocket, and on this side it has a multi-function pocket also, and at the bottom it has 4 protective feet at the base. So wow, so beautiful, especially everything. I love it. I love everything about this bag. The color, the size, the chain. Oh my god, and it really looks like a retail bag, but it's an outlet bag. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Wow. So this is actually the smallest. I believe this is the smallest size of all the Dempsey totes, because they also have the Dempsey carry-all, and I think the biggest one is the Dempsey 40. So this one is just so beautiful. Oh. So now let's see what fits inside this very cute bag. So that's the inside. So first is I have my makeup kit. So there, put it inside. It's just perfect size. And then I have my wallet there. And then my coin purse and some of my cards. So put this also inside. And then extra mask. Maybe I can put this here. And then also my phone, which maybe I can put it in the side pocket. Okay. So which does not fit. So maybe just there. Okay. So can I close it? Yes. It's just perfect. Thank you guys for watching.